Students, myself JBN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BSc B.Ed ZBC, 6th semester. We will discuss the practical session, history of common nematodes, pest of crop. What are nematodes? The word nematodes is derived from Greek words nema, meanings thread, and whites, meanings resembling or forms. Nematodes are also known by different names such as threadworms, roundworms, eelworms, and nema. Nematodes constitutes the largest group of animal kingdom, comprising 80 to 90% of all multicellular or animals. These organisms are basically aquatics but have adapted terrestrial habitats. Plant parasitic nematodes. The plant nematodes are phytonematodes, are those seen associated with plants and constitute one of the most important group of organisms which live in soil around the root of plants. Compared to human or animal parasitic nematodes like filarial worms or ascaris, they are very small, about 0.01 to 1.00 millimeter in length. They are usually long and cylindrical, excepting in the case of females of some secondary parasitic, where they are enlarged and swollen and many be spherical, oval, lemon shaped or kidney shaped. Nematodes seen these plates. We are damaged by nematodes in plants as primary pathogens. In most cases, plant nematodes are themselves primary pathogens through draining of cell shape, dissolutions and disruptions of cell and disorganization of conducting vessels of plants, which are constituently devitalized and slow retardation of growth. Next, association with other pathogens. Often nematodes are associated with other pathogens like fungi, bacteria and viruses in causing disease. It is well established the role of nematodes in disease complexes is more. The punctures made by nematodes are used by the microorganism for entering in the plant systems, altering the host physiology. Nematodes can alter the physiology of the host in such a manner that when both nematodes and fungus are present, the damage caused by them is much more than that could be caused by the nematodes or the fungus when it occurs alone. As vector of virus disease, some species of nematodes are known to transmit soil-borne viruses. Okay, thank you, students.